Hi there and welcome to this week's grocery haul and meal plan. This week's shop was from Sainsbury's. So we have 1 tomato puree, 4 Italian chopped tomatoes. These were actually a substitution. I ordered a 4-pack. 2 jars of honey. These were, I ordered the wrong thing. I thought they were the big boxes of them, the fruit shapes, but they were just singles, so that was a bit of an error. Got some ground cinnamon, some maple syrup, 2 4-packs of baby wipes and 2 packs of nighttime pull-ups, a packet of baking potatoes, 5 bananas, 3 packs of unsalted butter, 3 lemons, a pack of family apples, some Taste the Difference multi-seed wholemeal farmhouse bread, some blueberries, a pack of mature Cathedral City mature cheddar, 1 garlic bread baguette, some semi-skim milk and a 4 pint of whole milk, 12 large free-range eggs, a packet of spinach, 8 dry cured smoked back bacon and 14 rashers of streaky bacon. And all that came to £54.66. So for this week's meal plan, on Monday we're going to have fish pie, on Tuesday we're going to have spaghetti bolognese, on Wednesday we'll be going to Nick's mum's house for dinner, on Thursday we're going to have sausage and mash, on Friday we're going to have chicken pasta, and on Saturday we're going to have homemade burgers, and on Sunday we're going to have a roast dinner. So that is the end of this week's grocery haul and meal plan. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what we bought from Sainsbury's this week. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!